Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the top 5 altcoins to potentially buy. So in the past 24 hours, as we can see, the market is on fire. So the market is up over 7.34%. That is a very nice uptrend right there. Very bullish. Our top gainers in the past 24 hours is going to be QuickSwap, which is up about 19%. Highest volume like usual, Bitcoin. So Bitcoin up over 5%, trading around this 47,000 area. Ethereum is up about almost 6% at 3,300. We have Binance Coin up 3%, Cardano almost 10%, Ripple 10%, Doge almost at that 30 cents area, again up over 6%. It seems like all these altcoins are up about between 5 and 10%, obviously, and then we obviously have some outliers that are a little bit lower or a little bit higher as well. So, we're going to get into this list because this list is going to be juicy, guys, and you don't want to miss out. So if you guys are going to stay tuned, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 150 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 40,000 subscribers. That is our goal. So subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time we make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, links going to be in the description. And leave a comment below. What do you think is going to happen over this weekend? Do you think Bitcoin is going to reach that 50,000 area by Sunday or Monday morning? Now let's get into it, guys. So the first altcoin on our list is going to be Cardano, also known as ADA. So last night we briefly mentioned this one. It wasn't on our list, but we did talk about it, that it was on fire lately. And look at it again, 10% almost higher in the past 24 hours, trading at $2.13. In the past week, it's up over 52%. Very bullish right there. In the past month, 68% from lows down here of $1.03. So $1.03. It's made over 100% gains in the past 3 weeks or so. In the past year, it's up over 1,400%, making a bullish run right here. If we continue this uptrend, we might be seeing all-time highs once again here that we saw in May at about 250. So we're very close right now. We saw this huge, curve on higher. So this is definitely a nice thing to see. Obviously, the altcoins, they tend to, shoot on higher and faster compared to these larger cap coins like Bitcoin, obviously. So this one's on fire right now. Cardano is doing very well. 68.2 billion market cap, volume in the past 24 hours at 7.7 billion. And for those of you that aren't familiar with Cardano, it is definitely a popular coin. So this one is a blockchain platform built on a proof of stake consensus protocol that validates transactions without high energy costs. Now, development on Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled securities and stability. Cardano is definitely one of those coins that a lot of people are buying and loading up for the future. It's one of the top traded coins, I guess you could say, or most popular coins out there right now. Higher market cap, obviously, on the higher side, close to 100 billion. That could be coming in our near future. So Cardano is definitely a coin that I would be adding to my radar right now, especially with this hot momentum that we're seeing in the past week. Hopefully this same trend continues to go throughout the rest of August and the rest of the summer, obviously. So that's our first altcoin. Our second altcoin is going to be Chainlink, another popular coin. This one is up about almost 8% in the past 24 hours, trading at around $27.52. In the past week, this one's up over 15%. Past month, 63% from lows down here of about $13.38. If you would have bought down here, once again, you would be up over 100% profit right now. Same as, Cardano. So lots of money was out there to be made pretty much with these cryptos. If anybody bought on the lows, you would be up over 100% already in a matter of 2 or 3 weeks. Very quick momentum right there. In the past year, this one's up 62%. So most of its gains it's actually made in the past month, as it was trading at the same price that it was trading a year ago. Now, obviously, we did see highs up here in May, close to about $53 or so. So we're about halfway to that. So we were at about a 25 billion market cap or so for Chainlink at that time period. Obviously, we saw the whole market pull back down, and then we continued to go lower and lower as some altcoins continued that downtrend. Meanwhile, other ones traded sideways or even actually went up a little bit compared to the rest of the market. But now we're seeing a recovery happen in the market. So right now, 12.2 billion market cap, 1.2 billion volume. So volume is on fire as well. So Chainlink is an Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems as well. So that is what Chainlink is, and definitely another one that I'm going to be keeping a very close eye out on throughout this week and obviously the next month or so. Our third altcoin is going to be VeChain, so VET. This one is one of those coins that is, it looks cheap just by its price, but if you look at the market cap, it's actually at a 7.9 billion market cap right now. This one is at 12 cents. It's up about 10%. In the past week, 27%. Past month, over 68% from lows down here, about 6 cents. If you would have bought in around the 6 cents area, you would once again be up about 100%. So all three of these coins have given about 100% profit in the past month. In the past year, almost 500% on this coin as it was trading around 2 cents or so. Up here, we did hit highs of over 28 cents. So we still have a long way to get to that area. It was close to about a 15 to 20 billion market cap that we were trading at. And then obviously now we're just on a sell-off and hopefully a recovery situation going on. Now, 955.5 million volume in the past 24 hours. VeChain, this one is a cryptocurrency and smart contract platform focused on supply chain management. It allows manufacturers to add sensors such as the RFID tags to their products that can then record data onto the VeChain blockchain. So definitely one of those lower market cap coins that we're going to be keeping an eye out on, because usually when these large cap coins go higher, the mid cap and the low cap coins tend to go a little bit higher and faster compared to the market, because a lot less money is needed to push these coins higher than the market cap, the higher market cap ones as well. So that's our third one. Our fourth one is going to be Stellar Lumens, XLM. So this one is currently trading at around 36 cents. It is up about 5%. In the past week, 25%. And then on the 1 month chart, this one is underperforming compared to these other altcoins. This one is up about 54%, which, mind you, this is still a great return. 54% in about 3 weeks or so. That is insane, obviously, but we are used to seeing huge gains like we saw with Cardano, Chainlink, and VeChain, over 100% each. This one, 54% from lows down here, about 20 cents. If you would have bought down here at the low, you would just need it to get to about 40 cents to make that 100% gain, though. So it's still doing very well, performing very well. 1 year chart, 241%. As you can see, this recovery has not been as I guess bullish as the other ones have, but we did hit highs here in May of 80 cents, so we have a long way to go. Close to about a 20 billion market cap, it would be trading at that level. Right now we're at 8.4 billion market cap, 1 billion volume. Stellar Lumens cryptocurrency, the Stellar Lumens XLM powers the Stellar payment networks. Stellar aims to connect banks, payment systems, and individuals quickly and reliably. That is their goal for the future. So definitely one I'm going to be adding to my watch list. Then we have the fifth one, last but not least, Pancakeswap. Are you guys, staking your Pancakeswap? I don't know, but you definitely should, in my opinion, because it's on fire. It's been on fire lately, up about 5% in the past 24 hours, trading at around right under $21. In the past week, it's up 15%. Past month, almost 44% from lows down here of about $10.87 to highs up here of almost 21. So if you would have bought in at that low, obviously you would be at around 80 to 90% gain right now, almost at 100%, just like the other 3 or 4 coins that we talked about. On the 1 year chart, over 1200%. Still a long way to go before we hit those all-time highs at around $44 that we saw in April, obviously here. So market cap would be around 10 billion if we got back to these all-time highs, but still very, very nice performance, 1200% in about a year or so. So doing very well right now. 360.8 million volume on Pancakeswap. So you guys can check out Pancakeswap and see the different things they have. Obviously, staking your cake obviously is definitely one of those things that a lot of people do. So if you guys are not, if you're not familiar with what that means, you guys should definitely check out staking. Figure out how that can benefit you in the crypto space as well. So obviously, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so this is all for entertainment purposes only. It is not for financial advice or anything like that. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and make sure you understand the risk and reward type situation that is going on. Now that we've covered the 5 altcoins, let's see how the rest of the market is performing, guys. So Doge is up about 6.5%, pretty much making up the gains or the losses that it made lost the other day. So currently right under 29 cents, hit highs up here of about 30 cents at one point on Friday night. In the past week, it's up 41%, nice movement. In the past month, 45%, and then on a 1 year chart, over 8,000%, obviously, as we saw a pretty crazy bull run happen with Doge, as crypto was pretty much exploding in April and May. And Doge was definitely one of those. Obviously, we had Elon Musk and all these other things pushing it as well. But Doge definitely did well. For those of you that got in on it, early on in the year, you made a lot of money, hopefully. You didn't bag hold all the way down like the Dogecoin millionaire did. He should have probably sold at the top like everybody was telling them during the show. And he should have just waited for a bottom. If he believed in it for so much, he could have had so many more coins if he would have just bought at the bottom. But that's a whole nother story. Market cap right now at right under 38 billion on this one, 3.8 billion volume. So Doge, it's still, staying in there, still alive. I don't think we're going to reach that $1 area, but there's still, very bullish people out there that believe that it will. So that's Doge. Bitcoin up about 5%, guys. Here Friday night, or right after, Friday afternoon, right before the market closed in the stock market, it shot up about, $1,000 or a little bit higher than that, actually, very quickly. In the past week, it's up about 11%. Past month, 45%. And then obviously on the 1 year chart, over 304%. So Bitcoin very bullish right now. 894.2 billion market cap. I will not be surprised if we get back to that 1 trillion market cap soon. It would be nice to see Bitcoin get back up over 50,000 this weekend. That is our target area that we'll be looking forward to on Saturday and Sunday. If we can break through that 50,000 area, and then obviously start a new trend up next week, obviously. So that's the goal right now, and hopefully that will happen. You guys leave a comment below actually letting me know, what do you think is going to happen? Do you think we're going to break through that 50,000 area Saturday or Sunday? Let's see who's right. Then we have Ethereum. Ethereum is up about 5.89% in the past 24 hours, trading around this 3,300 area. In the past week, 14%. Past month, 70%. Wow. So if you would have bought down here at around 1,700, you would be up about 90% or so profit right now just on Ethereum. And Ethereum is one of those, larger cap coins that does not move crazy like these altcoins do. So 388.3 billion market cap right now on Ethereum. Volume in the past 24 hours at 23.7 billion. This one is on fire, 653% higher in the past year. This was a nice movement right here. It's not as crazy as it was here in April, but it's still very nice. Obviously, it would be nice to get Ethereum back up, close to 4,000 or so, and continue our bullish type run. Obviously, we're very bullish on Ethereum on this channel. We believe that Ethereum will reach that $10,000, area per coin in the next 10, 15, 20 years, whatever it takes. But we definitely believe that it will eventually reach that 10 billion or 10,000 area. Obviously, that will be a very nice area to see. And eventually, we believe that we'll see that flipping happen as well, where Bitcoin will not be the #1 coin in the world, that Ethereum will overtake it actually. That's something that we believe in, obviously. Even though right now the market cap is about 2 times less than what Bitcoin's is. Bitcoin's is at 900 billion. This one is at almost 400 billion. So Ethereum would have to be trading at around $7,000 just to compete with Bitcoin right now. So in the long term, Ethereum is going to have to make a little bit of a catching up to do. It has a little bit of a catching up to do, but you never know. Ethereum can just start on rocketing just like it has in the past, and that's definitely something that we believe will happen in the long run. So guys, if you guys enjoy this type of content, smash that like button like we said, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. As always, if you want to sign up for Webull, there's going to be a link in the description. Get your 2 free stocks when you sign up today. They're going to be valued up to $2,300. Leave a comment below. What cryptocurrency are you buying right now? Are you buying, holding, or selling? And what do you think is going to happen this weekend? Will Ethereum break through 3,500? Will Bitcoin break through 50,000? Let's see what happens, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.